GCCI स्टार्टअप अँड कॉर्पोरेट ब्रिजाची पहिली आवृत्ती सोमारा पणजे GCCI हॉलान घडोवन हाडली। गोवा स्टार्टअप अँड कॉर्पोरेट ब्रिजाच्या उक्तावणाक सरकार, कॉर्पोरेट स्टार्टअप आणि स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम सक्षम करपी घटक एकठांय आयले। उक्तावणाक पर्यटन मंत्री रोहन खंवटे, GCCIचो अध्यक्ष आणि धेंपो ग्रुप ऑफ कंपनीचो अध्यक्ष उद्योगपती श्रीनिवास धेंपो हांची उपस्थिती आसली। हे कार्यावळी वांगडा माहिती तंत्रगिन्यान, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स आणि दळणवळण खाते, स्टार्टअप आणि IT प्रमोशन सेल, GCCI हांचे मदीं गोंयांत स्टार्टअपाक चालना दिवपा खातीर सामंजस्य करार जालो। माहिती तंत्रगिन्यान खात्याचो संचालक P. अभिषेक आणि श्रीनिवास धेंपो हांणी ह्या सामंजस्य कराराचेर सय केली।
And I can assure you, with the work all of us are doing together, it is not only the government, industry, academia, and all you stakeholders. I can assure you that the next 3 to 4 years, Goa will potentially be showcasing themselves as one of the top leaders as far as the startup destination is concerned, and for people to come here and be startups, which that culture in the island, tennas pude vata. However, whatever ideas we need to mentor it. So mentorship programs have started, and something called as Founders Club. I don't know how many of you are a part of the Founders Club. Founders Club is basically getting all these startups together and wanting to discuss and see how we can take the best ideas in, how we can nurture the next level of startups. Success rates kasha wadovpache khubshe asa, and this Founders Club has just started. So various initiatives of the government will keep going to ensure that we are able to pick up on this ecosystem. We know that there are challenges ahead, but working along with the industry, working along with the academia and the stakeholders, I think we will definitely cross that horizon which we are today looking at. Zatle kai Zawchenna, I am 100% sure Zatle, Zala, and we will definitely position ourselves to be the creative capital.
It says today is your day, and I am very happy that 4 stakeholders have got together today. Of course, to start with the government of Goa, we have Rohan and Parimal today. We have all of you who are the major stakeholder today in terms of making your presentations, and mind you, every presentation is very, very important, you know, whether you succeed today or you succeed tomorrow. One thing you have to remember, the world is tough, it's highly competitive, nothing gets done easy, and everybody has failures in life. It's very easy to see people on the front page of Economic Times. If you ask somebody like Vijay Shekhar Sharma of Paytm, and I don't know how many of you all know this story, he went to Alibaba and he went to Jack Ma, and he was with a PowerPoint presentation trying to present maybe 40 slides, and Jack Ma just said, cut the crap. In 10 minutes, please explain me what your story is. And in 12 minutes he approved. He said, I'm going to invest in the project. So you may get people like that, but at the end of the day, the power of convincing is yours. And please never give up. You know, you have to, if you firmly believe in your idea and your conviction, and I'm very glad that top hoteliers are here today, top people from the tourism industry are here today, probably who understand your business so well that they will be able to guide you in a much better fashion, in a much better way. So I think the whole idea of Lalit and his team, and I must congratulate him for doing this. I'm told this is the first session and we'll also cover other sectors. What matters is here today. And to begin with, it's him who has found the time to do it. So without wasting much time, our theme this year for the next 2 years is sustainability and inclusivity. I think these are 2 words that you must also remember in your business plan. Today, everything boils down around sustainability. You know, we are all struggling with climate changes. We are struggling with new regulations. Governments are getting stricter. Investors are giving less premium to companies who are not on the sustainability path, and more premium to guys who are on the sustainability path.
गोवा 365 खातीर डिलन रॉड्रिगीस आणि निखिल जल्मी.